everyone, it's Tori from Calypso Creative Planning, and for today's video I'm going to do a hopefully quick tutorial on how to use a screenshot of your planner page here and some different digital accessories and some tablet screen overlays to create a scene to show off your spreads on social media. And we're going to be using Procreate and images and screenshots from GoodNotes to pull it all together. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're starting out in Procreate, and I'm just going to do new canvas and just grab the square canvas right here, and here we go. This is going to be our scene. And I went with square because, you know, Instagram and all that. And I'm going to start by doing a background. I went to Unsplash and I found a wood table or floor kind of background, so I saved it to my camera roll. So I'm going to do insert photo and put that here. Come on, there you go. All right, so since I'm working with square, I'm just going to drag this up. Well, let's turn on magnetics. Well, I don't know why that's not snapping there. Is that what I need? Well, that's okay. I don't know why it's not snapping there, but that's fine. We just want it to just cover that up, and I'm going to shift it over a little bit so it's on the lighter end of this. And there we go. There's my background. And I'm going to go to GoodNotes, and this is the planner spread that I'm going to use. And I'm just going to tap out of that so that I can swipe to get this. I'm going to hit copy and then go back to Procreate, click on the wrench and say paste. All right, so here is my planner spread. I'm going to leave it just like this. I'm not going to touch it for now. And then what I want to do is go back to GoodNotes to my Fit and Fabulous tablet screens, and I'm going to go with this one. Let's turn on image selection, say copy, go to Procreate, and I'm going to paste that in there. Now let's see, I think what I'll do is, maybe this background's too dark. Maybe it's not. We're going to leave it for now. I can always change the background later. Can you guys even see that? Because I've got like the black. Let me see. Light interface. Maybe that's more helpful for this. Is that better? Maybe that's better for you guys. Okay, so I think that's better. Now it doesn't feel so dark anyways. All right. I'm going to do... I've got the tablet screen here, and I'm just going to make it a little bigger. Let's turn off magnetics and snapping. I don't think I want those right now. All right, so let's say this is the size. And then my screenshot is underneath it. And that's how we can make it look like it's in the iPad. So I'm just going to do it to where it's like just inside. Oh, okay, well, let's try that again. All right. And so you can see like a little bit of border around that. And there you go. So I'm also going to group those because if I decide to tilt it at some point, then they'll just be together, right? So there's that. And then let's go and let's see. Do I want any accessories? I don't know if I put my Stylus set in here. So if you haven't seen this, this is my accessory organizer to go along with the Fit and Fabulous theme, and I've already loaded it in here with a bunch of stuff. Let's see. I didn't put my styluses in here, so let me grab the Stylus bundle. And since I've got a dark background, I think I want to go with this light color stylus and paste that in there. Just going to resize that to where it looks, you know, about right. I don't know how big this actually is. I'm just going to stick that in there for now. And let's see, what accessories do I want? Let's go with some washi. And I'm going to grab, I like the dots, so I'm going to copy that and paste that in here. I think I do want this tilted. Well, maybe not. Oh, I kind of do. Okay, I'm going to tilt this. So resize that there. Yeah, I like that. Okay. That's fun, right? I guess we're just tilting everything right now. Okay, and then let's see. Oh, come on. What else do I want? I kind of want a highlighter. So I'm gonna grab this one, I think. Let's copy that one. And can I do the 3-finger? Boom. Okay, so 3-finger swipe. There we go. Put that there. I feel like this is too big. Let's resize that just a bit. Oh, it just felt really big. Okay. And then what else do I want? What else do I got here? Let's do a little paper note. I'm gonna grab this one. 3-finger swipe to paste. And I'm gonna move it underneath my tablet so that I can stick that there. Oh, that's fun, right? Like that. And then let's throw some like paper clips on here or something. Let's see. Let's go with hardware. And I'm gonna do copy and paste. Let's move this back on top. I'm gonna put that right there. And then I kind of want to clip. So let's do this one since we have like a dark background. And paste. It can be a little off and that's fun. Maybe I want the highlighter to be a little smaller. There you go. That's super cute. And I actually think that that's all I want to do for this scene. So since we're doing this like in mind for like social media stuff, I want to throw in some text. And oh, maybe not that color. Let's go with this color because that's part of that. And let's change the font to, I like Oswald. Oswald's a good one. Let's do all caps because why not? Let's get the keyboard. See, okay, done. No. Where are you at? A dot? Give me a dot? I don't want just a dot. It's weird. All right, so I'm going to do at Calypso Creative Planning because that is who I am. I'm going to resize that, and it didn't do all caps like I wanted. So let's go back to here, all caps. Thank you very much. And now that we have this, I'm just going to like rotate it. I'm going to stick it over here. Let's rotate it so it matches that angle because, you know, we're a little perfectionist bit like that. That looks good. All right. Oh, cancel. Okay. All right. So there's our scene. How freaking cute is that? Do we want anything else, or is that enough? That's probably enough. I tend to like, you know, I can go overboard with all kinds of accessorizing, but I think that's cute. So that's how simple it is to create a scene, to use the tablet overlays. Man, when I said this would be a quick video, I did not realize it would be this quick because we done. I mean, how cute is that? Okay, so now we want to say share. And I just am really fond of PNGs. So I can save the image to my, you know, to my iPad. Where's my brain right now? To my iPad. I've been recording Skillshare videos today. So I'm like, my day is almost over. So, I mean, when you guys see this, it's maybe morning, but my day is almost over right now. Anyways, okay, so I'm going to save the image, and there you go. Now it's on my camera roll, and if I show you my camera roll, you're going to see lots of book things. Where's it at? Oh, goodness, just like all the way. So there it is, right there. It is ready to go onto social media. How fun is that? I think it's really, really cute. Really, really cute. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little super quick mini tutorial about creating a scene to share your planner spreads. I mean, how simple is that? I mean, you guys see my planner collages that are like really in depth. I do those in Affinity Designer these days is where I'm doing those instead of Photoshop like I used to. But I mean, Procreate, if you're just doing like one spread like this, I mean, how freaking cute is that? How fun. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to be doing more tutorials. You may have seen this in my Facebook group, but I'm working on a schedule for videos so that 1 week out of the month, you guys are going to start getting tutorials. So if you have any requests for a tutorial, let me know and I'll put it in the lineup. So this is kind of like the first of that. So it's not just planner spreads week after week. We're going to spice things up, switch things around, and yeah, okay. We done. I'm out. Bye, guys.